Today we're going to talk about the rhythm tree and eighth notes. So let's go back and review what we already know. Once upon a time there was a whole note, and a whole note equals 4 beats and 8 pulses. And then we split it in half, and we got 2 half notes. And each half note equals 2 beats and 4 pulses. And then we split each half note in half, and we got 4 quarter notes. And each quarter note equals 1 beat and 2 pulses. And now what we're going to do is split each quarter note in half as well. And so what we're going to do here is go in and add what we call eighth notes. And each eighth note equals, if we keep breaking it down, 1/2 a beat. And how many pulses? 1 pulse. Okay. So let's talk about those eighth notes. So an eighth note looks like this, and it equals 1/2 of a beat or 1 pulse. Yep, just 1. And so if I have 2 eighth notes together, sometimes they look like this, but more often we draw them like friends holding hands. So we take the 2 eighth notes and join them with a beam. Each one is still its own note. Each one is still an eighth note, but now they come in a pair. This is 1/2 a beat. This is 1/2 a beat. The 2 of them together equal 1 full beat. Okay, so now let's talk about how we're going to count eighth notes. So first of all, I'm going to draw the world's most boring measure, 4 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so to count this, we would put a big 1, a big 2, a big 3, and a big 4. Great. Now we're going to split each one of these quarter notes into eighth notes. So under here, I'm going to put 2 eighth notes, 2 eighth notes, 2 eighth notes, 2 eighth notes. Now every time I say a number, where's my foot going to be? It's always going to be down. That's right. So 1. And then where will my foot be on the others? It's going to be up. So I've got down, up, down, up, down, and up. Just like that. And the way that I'm going to count them is I'm going to count with a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. My foot still goes down, or my finger still goes down on the number, and it comes up on the end. Now we've been practicing these all along whenever we counted 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we're actually going to play on each one of those pulses. So while my foot is tapping like this, I would count the rhythm 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like that. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'm actually clapping or tapping my rhythm every time my finger goes down and every time it goes up. And that's how we write in the counts for eighth notes.